everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily Davison and I make videos about disability awareness as well as fashion and lifestyle. So welcome if you are new to the channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider supporting me by clicking the subscribe button and also by clicking the notification bell down below if you would like to receive updates when I post new videos. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video and I am going to be unboxing this glorious advent calendar from L'Occitane. This is their luxury advent calendar that they have launched for Christmas, and I'm going to be opening it on camera today and showing you what's inside. I was gifted this from L'Occitane to review, and today I'm going to be opening it and showing you what you get inside. I really like L'Occitane as a brand. I love their ethics. I love how they're trying to be more environmentally aware with their recycling scheme and their beach cleaning projects. They are also a company that do a lot of things for charity like sight loss. They put Braille on their packaging as well, and they're a great brand and they do some really lovely products. So when I received this, I was very excited because I do love an advent calendar, and specifically beauty advent calendars, because I think they're so much fun, and I'm really excited to delve into this and show you exactly what you get inside of this. This calendar retails for £79 and the total value of it is £89.50. So let's open this up and see what we've got. Oh, look at the packaging, it's so pretty, it's so Christmassy. It's red, very classic with green and gold on there, and also the actual artwork this year on their gift sets is really pretty. It's a cartoon, like nature design, really pretty. Love the packaging, and it's just very like classically Christmas. It's these two chunky sections here that open up like this with these little drawers in there, very cute and just a very nice design, and it's quite compact as well. Door number one, door number one. Also, it's worth pointing out that on these little drawers they've got little quotes on there, so each different day has a little quote on there in both English and French. But one thing I will say, as a brand that do a lot of Braille on their packaging, I think that they should totally next year put Braille on their actual advent calendar doors, because that's one thing for visually impaired people. No advent calendars ever have Braille on anything. It's really hard if you're visually impaired to be able to know which door's which, so that's something I think they should definitely do next year. So that's just an idea for you, L'Occitane. Put Braille on your advent calendar, because you'd be the first beauty brand to ever do that. That would be really awesome. Ooh, okay, so door number one, we've got the Immortal Precious Essential Water. You can put this over the top of your makeup. You can also just give your skin a bit of a spritz if you need to refresh yourself. It's really nice. I do actually love this range. I use their eye cream and their day cream from this range, and also I do use their toner as well. It's very much geared towards helping to rejuvenate the skin. It's for anti-aging. It's got a very sweet smell to it. Like, it smells to me like Parma Violet. So if you like really sweet smells, you'll love this. My mum actually has the big size of this and she absolutely loves it. But I love the fact it's a really compact little travel size, because you could take that when you're on the go. So really actually quite handy. So that is what you get in day number one. Day number two. On day number two, we have the almond milk concentrate. So I believe this is like a body cream or some kind of like really highly moisturizing body cream. It feels very, very absorbent, like it really is quite, it sinks in quite quickly from what I can feel. But I do love the almond milk range. It's fresh but also quite comforting as well. It has a lovely scent to it. But that is nice, if you can kind of see that, that's really sunk into the skin. Very good if you're like going out in the morning, you don't want to wait for your moisturiser to really sink in, so quite like a time-saving product. I always think these advent calendars are really good for minis, because when you're travelling or when you're going on holiday, you've got loads of little travel size things to take away with you. So that's one thing I do like about getting these sorts of calendars, because they're great if you travel quite a lot, which I do. Day number three, where are you? Day number three, we've got the Immortal Divine Foaming Cleanser. I do like the smell of this actually. It's got a very sweet, light scent to it. And again, good if you're traveling and you just want a cleanser. I always run out of travel size cleansers, so this is actually quite a good shout. So that is what you get in day number three. Day number four. On day number four, you get a little mini travel size of the Shea Butter Foot Cream. I, again, really like this. I've tried this before. L'Occitane, in my opinion, do some of the best hand and foot creams. They're really moisturising, really good quality, and they sink in and they last quite a long time. So this is actually a really good thing. I feel like around the sort of the festive time, I like to, you know, give my feet a bit of a pedicure, so this is actually a really good shout. So that's what you get in day number 4, a little travel sized foot cream. Day number 5. Day number 5 you get the Immortal Precious cream. This is their face cream and it's a little travel size of this. I actually really like this. It's got a lot of hyaluronic acid in there. It's a nice texture. It's really highly moisturising without being too dense or too thick or too oily on the skin. It's got a lovely scent to it, and I'm using this at the moment. I use it as mainly like my night cream because it's really nice and hydrating. So the fact that I've got a little miniature to take away when I go away is fantastic, because again, I never seem to have any travel sizes of my moisturisers, so I'll definitely use this when I go away travelling anywhere. So that is what you get on day number 5, and I'm actually very happy about that because I do actually use this. It's one of my favourite moisturisers. Day number 6. Oh, this looks interesting. Okay. Day number 6, we've got the Shea Butter Comforting Eye Patches, which sounds absolutely amazing. I've never tried these before. I didn't even know that they existed. I didn't even know L'Occitane did eye patches, but I use things like this a lot, especially around this time of the year because my under eye area gets really dry because of the central heating. So this is definitely something I'll use, and I'm so excited. You get 2 in there, so I'm not sure if that's like 2 eye patches or if you get 2 pairs. I'm not entirely sure, but I will definitely use those, and I think that's actually a really nice thing to put into an advent calendar because party season, you know, you're getting ready, put some eye patches on while you're doing your eye makeup, give yourself a little bit of a fresh under eye look. So yeah, nice one, L'Occitane. Day number 7. Oh, first hand cream of this video. We have the Shea Butter Intensive Hand Balm. So I think this is a really thick, hydrating hand cream, which is fine by me because I get really dry hands. Oh, that's really thick. That is definitely more like a balm. It's got a nice comforting light scent to it, but obviously it's going to smell like shea butter, so you have to like shea butter to like this. But again, that's really good to have little mini travel sizes because I always use little travel size hand creams in my bag when I go out, so I'll definitely be popping this into my bag and using this over the next few months. So that is what you get on day number 7, a little hand cream. Day number 8, what do we have here? Oh, looks like a soap. On day number 8, we have the Shea Milk Extra Gentle Soap. This is like a little travel size one in a little packet, a bit like what you'd get in a hotel, like a fancy soap. But obviously everybody uses hand soap, so this will definitely get used. So yeah, little hand soap on day number 8. Day number 9. On day number 9 we have the Almond Shower Oil. I love this. I've used this quite a lot in the past. Really nice and hydrating. It foams up a little bit, but it really feels very like comforting and like a oil based shower cleanser. Like it's very nice if you like more of an oily soap or like more like a very hydrating shower gel. So this will be very good for me around this time of the year. I love the scent of the almond range as well. It's sweet but also like clean and comforting. Day number 10. On day number 10 we've got the Shea Light Comforting Cream. A bit lighter if you don't want anything too heavy. Yes, definitely a bit more lighter, so if you're not fond of anything too thick or heavy, definitely more of a lighter cream. Same shea butter smell, but actually a little bit lighter. This smells a little bit more cleaner, a little bit more fresher than like your traditional shea butter smell. Day number 11. On day number 11 we have another hand cream. This is the Almond Delicious Hands Cream. I was guessing that they were going to put more than one hand cream in this calendar because that is one of the things that L'Occitane as a brand is known for. They have really good hand creams. I was guessing that was going to be more than one in this advent calendar, and I was right, there is another one. This is the almond one. I love the almond one. It's actually my favourite one out of all of them. Really nice and moisturising. Day number 12. On day number 12 we have a little mini of their Repairing Conditioner. I've never tried this before. I'm wondering if they're going to also put a shampoo to go with this in on another day, because that would kind of make sense to me. But again, I think this will be good if you're travelling, because I know whenever I travel I hate taking big bottles of shampoo and conditioner when I'm going anywhere. So the fact that I've got a little mini is actually really good. It has a very fresh smell to it. Very clean but also a little bit fruity. Day number 13. On day number 13 we have something from their Aqua range, and it's their first Quenching Gel. Now I have been really intrigued to try this range for ages now. It's very simple. It's really good if you have combination skin or if you want something very easy and light. So I wonder if this will be like a gel that you put on as a substitute to a moisturiser, or if you put it underneath a moisturiser. I'll have to find out, but that's actually really nice that they put something else from a different skincare range in there, something from their Aqua range, because I think this would be good for a lot of different skin types. Day number 14. Oh, it looks like another shower oil. On day number 14 we have another shower oil, and this is the Shea shower oil. I actually haven't tried this one before. I've only ever tried the almond one really, so I'll be interested to see how this one compares. But I think shea butter is a bit more richer, it's more hydrating, whereas almond oil is more protecting. Day number 15, it looks like another soap to me. On day number 15 we've got another soap. This is the Almond Oil Delicious Soap. Again, it's another little packaged one. Day number 16, here we go. I feel like it's getting easy for me to find the days now. On day number 16 we have a little mini travel size of their Divine Cream. Can we just appreciate how cute this packaging is? It's like really tiny, it's really small, and it's like a dinky version of their big one. It's really, really cute. I've never tried the Divine range before, but I believe the Divine range is really good if you want something very deeply moisturising. So I'll have to try that out and let you know how I get on with this. Day number 17. On day number 17 we've got another hand cream, and this is the Shea Butter hand cream. I think the earlier one we had in this video was the hand balm, so that will be more deeply hydrating, probably work better as like a nighttime cream. If you want something that's a bit more thicker, that's gonna absorb over a longer period of time, if you want something that's going to be a little bit more richer, and this one better for like everyday use if you just want something a little bit lighter for, you know, your handbags. For me, I don't mind the fact that there's quite a few hand creams in this calendar because I do like their hand creams a lot. It's one of my favourite things that L'Occitane do, so I'm absolutely fine with that. But I guess that would depend on your preference. Do you want loads of hand creams in your advent calendar, or would you prefer it to have a bit more variety? But for me personally, I'm quite happy that there's quite a few hand creams because I use them quite a lot and I'll get a lot of use out of them. Day number 18. On day number 18 we have a Verbena Eau de Toilette. This is a little travel sized one. This is what it looks like. I love the packaging, it's really pretty. It's got this leaf design on there. This is like a little like stoppered bottle. It's like one that you just sort of pour onto your wrists. I do love this scent. It's very citrusy. Got a lot of orange in there, lemon, very kind of like uplifting. Day number 19. On day number 19 we have yet another hand cream. So I think this is the 4th hand cream that's been in this advent calendar now. This one is the rose hand cream. Now I didn't even know that they did a rose hand cream. This is all news to me, but I love anything rose scented. Oh, that smells really nice. Really sweet and florally, like a very typical English country garden rose scent. So that makes me very happy. I do love anything rose scented, and I'm absolutely fine with the fact that there's yet another hand cream because I will definitely use these, and it means that I don't actually have to go out and buy more hand creams because that's one thing I tend to run out of quite a lot. Day number 20. Oh, day number 20, my premonition was right. We have the Repairing Shampoo. So this will be an accompaniment to the conditioner that I showed you earlier in this calendar video. So a good pairing if you want to take travel sizes of shampoo and conditioner when you're going away or you're travelling, or if you just want to try it just to see if you like it. That's also a good thing about these calendars because there's lots of little miniatures in here that you can try out. Okay, day number 21. Okay, so day number 21, there's another hand cream. This is the Cherry Blossom one. I've actually tried this range before. It's very florally and fresh and clean smelling. I do like this sort of scent. It's not my favourite scent that L'Occitane do. My favourite scents will probably be Herbet and also the almond scents. Those are my favourite ones, and also the lavender one. 22, 22, 22. On day number 22, you get a small size of their Immortal Precious Overnight Reset Serum. Now I have to say, I've got the big version of this. I really like it. It's absolutely gorgeous. It really helps to smooth the skin. It makes the skin very smooth. It's very lightweight. It doesn't feel too heavy on the skin. The fact that I've got a little mini of this is great because I would definitely take this away when I go travelling and use this when I'm on the go. And let me just say, it's one of the best things that I've ever tried from L'Occitane. Day number 23 next. On day number 23, we have the Shea Repair Lip Balm. Now, I actually didn't know that they did a Shea lip balm, so that's actually really quite cool because this is something I would definitely use. And quite a smart move putting lip balm in an advent calendar around the time of winter and Christmas when it's getting really cold out and, you know, chapped lips are probably a bit more probable at this time of year. So now, last but not least, day number 24. On day number 24, we have got the Herbet Eau de Parfum. I really like the Herbet range. It's one of my favourite scents. I use this quite a lot. Oh my god, that is really cute. Look at the packaging of that. That is adorable. It's like a little glass bottle with this pipette at the top, and it's like a stopper one. So it's again another one that you just dab onto your wrist. Now this particular scent, it's very floral and clean. It's got notes of bramble in there and rose. So it's very nice if you like fresh, clean, green scents. Like if you like things like the grass scent from Lush or even Supertramp, and you like that really fresh, earthy green smell, you will definitely like this range. That is a very nice scent, and I will definitely use that. So I think that's quite nice that they put a perfume in the final day. So that is everything that you get inside of the L'Occitane Luxury Advent Calendar. All in all, final thoughts about this calendar. I personally really like the fact that there's quite a lot of things from the Almond and the Shea range. If you're into your hand care, you would like this calendar because there's quite a few hand care related items in there. So you've got like 5 different hand creams, and then you've also got soaps in there as well. So if you're into that, then you would definitely like this. I also like the fact that they put quite a few things in from different skincare ranges as well for you to try, because I think skincare is quite often quite a hard thing to nail down. So the fact that there's quite a few skincare things in there means you can try different things from skincare ranges that they do and see what you like and what works for you. I absolutely love it. I love the design, and I love the variety of products in there that you get, and I would definitely recommend it if you are a fan of L'Occitane or you want to explore what the brand has to offer. So that's everything for this video today, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Also, let me know in the comments, which advent calendar have you gone for this year? Have you gone for a beauty one? Have you gone for something a bit more different? Have you gone for a traditional chocolate one, or maybe a food one, or maybe even a drinks one, alcoholic or not? Let me know. And thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye everybody.